Part D.2, Overview of Project 2. Starting from this video, I plan to use a sequence of small videos to explain several problems you can find in the description of project number 2. Yeah. The first one, I just give you some overview information. Then let us look at individual problems one by one. Yeah. All right, so first we know the goal of this project. Try to get efficient way to calculate Fibonacci numbers. Yeah. So efficiency is the most important in this project. Yeah. So for this class, we have several different ways to calculate Fibonacci numbers. Yeah. In this project, project number 2, we compare two methods. Yeah. So method 1, it is a very bad one. How bad it is, later we will see. Yeah. And actually, through your programming experience, you can feel about it, how bad it is. Yeah. Then we just make some very simple modification. Yeah. The change is very little, yeah, but you can see the result significantly improved. Yeah, that difference is huge. Yeah. So method 2, that one is very efficient. Yeah. So you compare these two, yeah, in several aspects. Yeah. But there is another more efficient method than method 2. So that is method 3. Describe it in our textbook. Yeah, I remember in one of my videos, I mentioned that before. Yeah, but it's a long time ago. Yeah, probably nobody can remember it. Yeah. Later, I will bring it back. So method 3, the method described in our textbook, it is a very smart method. Yeah. So I like to put this method in optional project 3. Yeah. So project 3, but optional. Yeah, the reason is simple. We do not have that much time. Now, if any of you like to implement this one, so you can earn extra credit. So optional project 3. Yeah. After the Thanksgiving break, I will post project 3 description. Then I use videos to explain the idea of the algorithms. Then you just implement it. Because several students send me messages asking for a few more chances to improve their grades. Yeah, so we have many optional work you can do. Yeah, this is one of it, right? Project 3, for those students, if they want to learn more, try more advanced algorithm. Yeah, so you have a good chance to improve your grades. All right, so let's look at the description detail. Yeah. All right, yeah, so let me just, see it clearly. Yeah. The main goal, we want to see the power of efficient algorithm. Yeah. So this point, actually, we have seen in our project 1, right? Horner's rule. We compare with the what's that method? Brute force method, right? Brute force method and Horner's rule. We can get an idea how much difference between a slow method and an efficient method. Here we have another chance to feel about it. Yeah. First, algorithm straightforward recursive Yeah, so similar to that brute force. Yeah, straightforward, recursive. Yeah, yeah. So the pseudocode you can find in this page. Yeah, very short, yeah, very short. Yeah. Yeah. The coding part is not that much. Yeah, but we need to look at a lot of factors. Yeah. So for that reason, so we need to do quite some work in this project. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Too much. You need to know the reason it is slow. It was explained in one of my videos, redundant computation. So remember how to see redundancy in a computation. I use a recursion tree. Recursion tree. All right, yeah. In that tree, you can see we need to calculate the same Fibonacci number many times, redundant calculation. So that is the reason. Yeah. All right. The second algorithm removes the redundant calculation. Yeah. And calculate Fibonacci number iteratively. Yeah. You can find the code there. Yeah. Very simple implementation. Yeah. All right. Very simple, several interesting points. Learn. Yeah. So later we have several videos I want to explain several important points. Yeah. But the second method, this method, yeah, we know these two methods. First one, we can, yeah, the first one actually, the first one, remember the overflow problem, right? Yeah. Overflow problem. Yeah. First one, second one, there is overflow problem. Yeah. I like to talk about overflow problem in my next video. Yeah. Because a lot of explanation related to overflow problem. Right? Yeah. Yeah. And actually solving the overflow problem is another big programming consideration in this project. Another big programming consideration in this project. Yeah. So we use Java big integer. Oh, I haven't uploaded a big integer example. Yeah, I need to upload a Java big, the class called big integer example. Yeah, that. Yeah, I will upload it. Yeah. So then in my video, I can run that example to show you why we need to use this class in this project. Yeah. So this is another important technique we need to use in this project. So you can see it's not that simple, right? So it's not that we implement these two simple algorithms and compare, because there are so many factors we need to consider. All right, so in my overview video, so let me just stop here. After that, we will look at individual issues one by one.